Okay, so we got this situation. If hyperbola passes through the point this and has its vertices on this, then the equation of normal at P is. So first you have to find out equation of hyperbola, then you can think about normal. Okay, so suppose that equation of hyperbola look like x square by, look at this, what is this? This is like vertices are on x-axis. So can I assume that we will have horizontal hyperbola, and this is vertex a comma 0, correct? So can I say that a is 6? So x square by 36 minus y square by, don't know, b square equals 1. So first we have to find out b square. So you know that your curve is passing through point 10 comma 16. Suppose 10 comma 16 stays here. So if the curve passes through the given point, the curve must satisfy this point. Okay, so this thing you can satisfy. So 10 square is 100 by 36 upon 16 square. So it is 256 by b square, correct, equals to 1. Okay, now can I write the same thing as, like I'll send b square wala part that side. So we will have 100 by 36 minus 1 equals 256 by b square. Now 100 minus 36, 100 minus 36 is what? 64 by 36, 256 by b square. Okay, so if you will find this thing to be difficult to simplify, you can go with 8 into 8 and then 6 into 6, and 256 is what? 16 into 16 by b square. Now you can simplify, 8 2s are 16, 8 2s are 16. So b square we got 12 square. Just tell me this is right or wrong. Correct? Now you can update your equation of curve. So our equation of curve will look like this: x square by 36 minus y square by 144 equals to 1. So this is our equation of the hyperbola. Now we have to find out equation of normal at point P. So you know that directly we cannot find out equation of normal. For that, first we will find out equation of tangent. So what we will do, we will put t equals to 0. So x square will be replaced with x x1, x x1 36 minus y y1 16 by 12 into 12 equals to 1. Okay, now look at this. Can I write 5 18 4 time 3 time 3 time? Okay, so look at this, it is 9, that side it is 9, so go with 2 and 2. So can I write 5x by 18 minus 2y by 18 equals to 1? Or can I multiply both sides by 18? So we will have this as equation of tangent, correct? So from here we got equation of tangent. Now can you please tell me the slope of tangent? Yes, y equals mx plus c. So you will send y wala part on one side, remaining thing on the other side. So we got 5 by 2. You also know that the relationship between slope of tangent and slope of normal as mt mn minus 1. So mt is 5 by 2. So mn will become what? Minus 2 by 5. So this thing we got slope of normal. Now we got slope of normal. We got a point on the curve. So point was 10 comma 16. Now we can write down equation of normal using slope point form. So what we will do? We will write slope equals slope. Okay, so what is the slope of normal? Minus 5 by minus 2 by 5. Now slope. So can I take a point Q, x comma y? So it is y minus y1, x minus x1. Done. Okay, so we got minus 2x plus 20 equals 5y minus 80. Correct? Now keep things on one side. So variable part one side, it will become 5x plus 5y. 5y plus 2x equals to 100. So we got our equation of normal as 5x plus 2y equals 100. So this is the idea how we will find out equation of normal. I hope you got the approach and you have understood the method that I have explained in the previous session. Okay.